What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man, and I've got another video for you today. This is another unbagging because Riri didn't give me the box to this shoe. First, I need to give you a word. What was it?
What?
John 14:6?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
I hope it's John 14:6. It says, I am the way, the truth, and this is Jesus talking. I'm the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. With Jesus, there's no substitute. The only redemption for us is through him. And that's great because it's just such a simple thing. Luckily for us, though, with sneakers, there's more than one way. There's more. No one way is the way, the truth, and the life. All right? We don't need to worry about that. But with all that being said, y'all saw the short. I hope if you didn't, go back and watch the short.
Over there.
Here. I met up with this dude at Arbor Place Mall. He just hangs around there, kind of in the middle of the mall, and he was trying to peddle something like this. And I mean, I'm sure they were real because he was selling them for like $60. But they had to have been real because I trust this dude. I mean, he looked like straight up, you know, not trying to pull any fast ones on anybody. And I said, hey, I really want the purple Jordan 4 Travis Scott Friends and Family. He's like, I don't know, man, those are really expensive. Like, they're gonna have to pay for those. I'm like, yeah, but I don't want to pay for them. And he's like, all right, let me see what I can do. And then a couple weeks later, he's like, I got them for you. And I hesitated though, because I needed to ask Hesper. I needed to ask my wife before I dropped that kind of cash. You know, like, let's put it up here. This is the StockX.
Pricing.
Yeah, the StockX pricing. I think the last one
sale.
went, I think it somewhere between $10,000 and $30,000. So once you get over like $1,000, no, once you get over $2,000 to $4,000, it doesn't really matter. $10,000 to $30,000 for a shoe, and Riri hooked it up. And Hesper was like, yes, do it.
Right.
This is kind of crazy, and my heart's
Bumping.
beating so fast. Like, I'm excited, but he got it for me. He got them for me. He showed them to me, and I was like, man, he's got to be legit. So for y'all haters out there, this is the Travis Scott Friends and Family Jordan 4. And remember, he didn't give me a box, but I still trust him even though I didn't have a box. Yeah. That's legit, isn't it?
In it.
In it. That's legit.
You bet.
You bet. Which is the medial? Which is the...
That's the inside. I'm pretty sure what you're
This
looking
is?
at. What I'm looking at.
So this is...
That's the outside, yes.
Okay. But we got a back tab. The netting...
That back tab is huge.
It's supposed to be big.
Whoa.
The netting on the sides, the wing laces. I mean, it's all there. The nice purple, like, this is buttery. See?
Wait,
like, you know how, yeah, you know how
Can you draw? Yes,
yeah.
you can. You can
so
like back
straight out of the bag, this, I'm not sure exactly what this material is. It's something between suede-ish and nubuck-ish, but you see how live it is right out of the box.
Bag,
Sorry.
Oh, that outsole.
I know, this is...
Grippy to the max.
This is the outsole.
Mega grippy right there.
So, in all seriousness, obviously, Riri gave me a legit pair of purple Travis Scott Jordan 4 Friends and Family. The reason why I needed to talk to Hesper, I didn't lie about that. I did. Riri is a dude at the mall, and I did ask him for these, and he got them for me. Because these are from Maw Maw, my grandma.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
My grandma, actually Hesper's grandma, but my grandma, for Mother's Day, and I needed to double check with her to make sure that, like, we weren't worried about like it being too bulky, you know, and you know, maybe being a little dangerous for her walking around the house. But her favorite color is purple, just like mine. And maybe not to wear, but the Jordan 4 is one of my favorite. It's behind the 11, but the Jordan 4, everybody likes Jordan 4s, and our favorite color is purple. So it is Thursday before Mother's Day right now, so she'll get these in a couple of days. And thanks Riri for hooking it up. If y'all are in Atlanta, if y'all are in West Georgia near Arbor Place Mall in Douglasville, Riri.
Go check Riri's
Riri's
out.
Parties. I don't know. He's in the middle. He's got a little kiosk out there. He's got a bunch of these, and he has some slides too. So
He got foam runners. He's got slides. He's got a whole bunch of big old slipper things.
big old slippers. So
He's got jewelry, all kinds of. He got poppet jewelry too. I know your little kids. They want those poppets.
he does have some puppets. Yeah.
Poppet keychains, everything.
go check them out. I'm not gonna make this video any longer. Y'all know what this is. I mean, I know there's plenty of places you can get these. I like when I'm getting something like this to be able to see it before I actually purchase it, just because, I just want to make sure it's, it's legit. It's not fake.
Right.
It doesn't have like that crap fake quality. You know what I'm talking about?
This is really good quality, though.
Like buttery.
Like comfortable to the max.
Buttery. And I do think that in this particular Jordan 4, Travis Scott said, "Give me full-length Zoom Air for extra comfort." It's in there.
He definitely put it in there.
So, thank y'all for being here. Remember, Jesus is the way, the truth, and the light. But if we want some Jordan 4 or Travis Scott friends and families, we just gotta go see Riri.
Right.
And we don't have to pay $30,000 for it because there's another way. With Christ, there is no other way. So, thank y'all for being here. Tell your grandma.
Oh, yeah.
Because my grandma's about to be told. I'll see you next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Shoes. Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.